Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to factory reset Realme phone device data. Friends, you want to reset your Realme phone, you want to erase all data on your device, and how to erase all data and how to factory reset. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone. So friends, scroll it. Friends, last option, click on backup and reset. So friends, you can see backup my data, backup and restore setting. So once you want to on backup my data, so you can on your backup my data from here and you can backup your account. Friends, click on erase all data, factory reset. Friends, you want to erase, so friends click here. Friends, you can see erase all data including photos and music. So guys, when you will click here, friends, you can see erase all data. Friends, you can see this will erase all data on your device including your photos, musics, your download apps, your download photos, movies. So guys, this will erase all data on your device guys. When you will click here, you can erase from here. Friends, I don't want to erase, but friends you want to erase, friends you can erase from here guys. Click here and this will erase all data on your device. So like that friends, we can erase all data on Realme phone device. And friends, you can erase from here, direct search option, search here friends, reset. Friends, you can see reset setting. Friends, you can see erase all data, factory reset. Friends, click here, direct friends, you can erase from here, click here and this will erase all data. So like that friends, we can erase all data on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.